Greetings to everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good evening, good night. All depends on where you're watching me from. I just want to shout out everybody who tuned into this video. Yes, guys. So in this video, guys, I am making some fried down chicken with some vegetables, and yeah, this is my parmesan cheese. Yeah. So, guys, I have a different variety of season in this menu. I have different peppers, bell peppers, different colors, and I have thyme, onion, scallion. Yes, I have tomato. So what I do, guys, I fry down my chicken first. Let me begin. I wash my chicken with vinegar and lime, season it up well with my nice season, let it marinate. Yes, guys, and I go ahead and fry them down. Then I use my seasonings on top. After I'm finished frying, I set them in the pan. The chicken is in the bottom. Then I add my seasons on top, and I use my spices. Yes, like my sage, my oregano, yeah, and the parmesan cheese. Yes, guys. So after I finish, I add a little ketchup as well. Yeah, and leave it to cook down for a little while. Yes, because it was already fried good enough to eat. So I just give it like a roughly like a 10 minutes cooking down. Yes, guys, as you can see. Yes, so I have okra in it as well, guys. Yes, and the purple onion as well, white and purple onion. And um I have my asparagus, guys, right? The asparagus in it as well. Carrot, yeah. Yeah, guys, so if you like this video, guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Share me out if you can. Tell another friend to tell another friend about Stacey Emily's channel. A lot of people use their platform to do different variety of things. Some use it to cuss out other people, but I do positive things over here, guys. So just be a part of this channel, guys. You won't be disappointed. I do cooking vlogs and many more over here. So just come over and be a part of this, guys. So thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you guys.